Good afternoon. It's November 4th, 2024, and today we're looking at a range day. Here's how it looks on the daily chart. This strong sell-off made it feel like we were going to push lower, but we found support and bounced. So in the overnight, we had this leg up, and it broke pretty quickly through the other side of the EMA, creating a gap here and here below the EMA. Attempted to make a new high and failed. You get this lower high, and then 5 o'clock comes right about here when you get this other lower high. And then you get this second entry short. And I like this. But we get a bull bar right after, so you got to exit. And then you get this. And honestly, I like this too. So I think this is reasonable. It looks like a failure, kind of. And we go lower. And then you get over here a very nice second entry short off of the trend line. That leads to an overshoot, which leads to a break. And I think at that point you should recognize that this looks like a range. So uh, we get this spike and channel, and it's hard to say where the level of support is in this channel. Temporarily it looks like it's here. If you drag it here, it could be there, but there's clearly a level of resistance here. Not too crazy about anything in this breakout. I think it's reasonable to get short in here. The problem is there's a lot of overlap and you don't know if it's going to bounce. And it's tough to trade this stuff. So we come here and then the floor falls out, and you can, once you recognize that this is a small pullback bear trend, you can enter on anything. And so, we get a break, move to a new low. This is the real sell climax right here. And it bounces and reverses. Quick reversal, not really any way to get in on this. I think it's reasonable to go short here. Looking for nothing more than a scalp, and it goes well beyond that. And then we rock it up. And there's just not really a whole lot. I mean, you could consider this as the second entry, but that's pretty aggressive. It's not very clear what's happening. Now it's starting to look like maybe we'll push lower, but I mean, what's the likelihood of that? Not very high. So that's how I saw it today. Election day is tomorrow. We'll see how that affects the markets.